What's going on, mother truckers? So I just want to circle back to this story. So a month ago, I made a video about a 25-year-old truck driver that basically couldn't get into gear on the I-70, and he was going down with some lumber. And instead of using the runaway ramps, he actually tried to coast down the whole mountain. And at that time, he actually got involved in a 28 vehicle pileup, which 4 people passed away.
Right, the white truck bends to the left, and you'll see him nearly clip the back of a truck, creating a dust cloud. Now the driver's dash cam.
Oh my God!
It appears to be the same white truck racing.
Jefferson County this morning, Rohel Aguilera Medeiros was questioned about what happened on I-70 as he headed down Floyd Hill. He told his attorney he struggled to get the semi into gear when he lost his brakes.
Did you try to get it into any gear?
Now, there were over 40 charges on him on this, and so they have not sentenced him till yesterday. And according to yahoo.com, they're saying that they sentenced him to 110 years. So, mother truckers, I'm just letting you guys know, if you can't gain control, if you can't get into gear, if that's a situation that you're having and there's a runaway ramp, don't think about your CDL at that point. Don't think that you could just coast down it. Use the runaway ramp, live another day, and then work at what happened, and hopefully you could work past it, even if your trucking company, fires you for it. But in this situation, a 26-year-old man is sentenced to 110 years. I mean, he has a family, he has a wife. He made a mistake, And so in this situation, mother truckers, comment down below. Do you think the sentence was fair? Was it accurate? People did lose lives that day. Fathers didn't come home to their families that day. And it was his negligence. But that's why I tell you, mother truckers, don't just hop into this game thinking that it's going to be easy.